channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the price tag TikTok turn, which is really easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be really easy for you guys to follow. And now, the very first thing we're going to do is what the song says. So it tells you to look to the left. So we're going to just be turning our heads and we're going to be looking to the left, and then we're going to look to the right. That's it. So we're not going to do anything, just look to the left and then look to the right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab both of our hands are going to be in the wrists, and we're going to go 1, 2, and then to the other side, 3, 4, and then to the other side, 5, 6. So we're going to be doing a small circle like this, and then we're going to stop here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So pretend you just have like a steering wheel and you're going like this just 3 times. And then we're going to stop here after the 3rd time, and we're like the song says money, money, money. So we're going to go money, money, money. That's it. So just there are going to be like 3 beats, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to like stop a little bit after each one. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go do the same thing but to the other side. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Really easy. So from the very beginning, so that you remember everything, look to the left, then look to the right, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then after this we're going to go 1, 2, and then the same thing to the other side, 3, 4. That's it. That is the whole dance. So we're going to be doing it from the very beginning, but this time we're only going to do it once because it's like really easy, and it's not even fast. It's just like, it's going to go really slow. Just look to the left, to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1. So it's like really, it's really calm, really slow. So you don't really have to like remember everything perfectly. Like if you listen to the song, you're already like going to know what to do. So we're going to do it only once. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to look to the left, to the right, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3 to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the whole dance. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!